Hey everyone, let's talk about texting. Texting isn't always smooth sailing, especially when caught in the dreaded green bubble blues. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. iPhone's iMessage with its fancy features and shimmering blue bubbles feels like a VIP club. But if you're stuck on Android, you're relegated to the green bubble bleachers. It's a barrier to communication, a digital Berlin Wall separating iPhone users from the rest of the texting world. And why is this wall there? Well, whispers abound about a cunning Apple strategy. Switch to Android? Forget it. You'll lose your blue bubble status. Apple, this game is getting old. Consumers are demanding seamless communication, not platform-based discrimination. We want to text freely without feeling like we're on the wrong side of the tracks. So what's the solution? Tear down the wall. Embrace open standards, prioritize interoperability, and let people text freely regardless of the shade of their bubble. Let's bridge the divide and make texting great again for everyone. I can't believe I just said that. Who's with me? Let's make the green bubble blues a thing of the past.